Come, let's eat TZ. Look at that. Let me taste it. I'm tasting it. I will tell you guys how it tastes. Guys, come, let's enjoy this together. Today I am so excited to take you guys to northern part of Ghana. The recipe that we are about to prepare is a common food in northern region of Ghana. Guys, so let's start. We are going to do Zaafi. Other people call it TZ. Whichever name that you call it is fine. So I am using meat. We are starting from the scratch. We are doing the Ayoyo soup. We are doing our soup. And we will do the TZ itself. So just be patient and relax and watch this video to the end, guys. So I have my salted meat here. We are going to steam our meat. I'll add it to my pot. I have my salt. I'll be adding the salt, and I have goat meat seasoned as well.
Let's go.
I also have my homemade seasoning. We will add that. I'm going to blend garlic, ginger, and onion to season my meat apart from the seasoning that we have added to it.
Subscribe and click on the notification bell for more videos from Moses.
Guys, I'm done blending my ginger, garlic, and onion. So this is what we are going to use to season our meat. Guys, I will be adding diced onion as well. Though we blend some onion to season, but I still want it this way. So that one is optional. If you like, you can add it. If you like, just leave it like that. Guys, you can see I have my meat on fire. So where I have reached now, I'm going to blend my vegetables, my tomatoes and pepper and some onions. You can see I have chopped some of the onions already. Then we will use them for our Diewo stew. Guys, my palm oil is heat up now, so I'm going to add my chopped onion. You can slice your onion, but I prefer my onions to be chopped. Guys, look at that. And our blended ingredient is ready, so I'm going to add it as well. With the oil, you can use any oil of your choice, but I'm showing you authentic way of preparing your Zaafi stew, so I have to use the palm oil. That's why I am using it. So if you don't like palm oil, you can use any oil of your choice. Guys, what I have reached now, I'm going to blend my Ayoyo leaves, which is called Jute Leaves. So this is it. That's how it looks. It's very fresh. We are going to start placing them in my blender because I want it smooth. Then you add little water to it to blend. I have my Dawadawa here. If you are using the powder one, you can add it whilst you are finished blending. But this one, I need to add it to my Jute Leaves to blend, my Ayoyo to blend. So that's why I've added this to it, so that it can blend with my Jute Leaves.
For short.
I'm done blending my Jute Leaves, so I I hope you guys can see. At this point, I'm going to add my herring powder. And my shrimp powder as well, because we have used the Dawadawa to blend it already, so we don't need Dawadawa again. We use our Dawadawa to blend our leaves, the jute leaves.
Simple remedy, good taste, palatable, sweet aroma. Yeah.
Our meat is almost ready. I'll give it 5 more minutes, then I'll take it off from the fire. I have some of my herring powder here. I'm going to add it to my stew as well, and my shrimp powder. I have my Maggie here. I'm going to add this. Guys, I have my Scottish bonnet pepper here. I'm going to add that to my stew. My stew is ready, and my Ayoyo soup is ready as well. So we will move to start preparing our TZ. I have my 2 cups of water here. I'm going to add it to my pot to bring it to a boil.
Sweet aroma. EM's kitchen here.
Guys, I have my corn flour here and my cassava flour as well. I have our 2 cups of water that we have boiled already, so I'm going to use 1 cup of water to mix my corn flour. Then we will prepare our porridge.
Have you tasted a Rama's food?
The porridge that we will add our cassava flour to it. Prepare our TZ towards Zaafi. But you have to make sure you sieve your corn flour.
Palatable. I like it.
So I'm going to add it to this.
So tasty. Papa, EM's kitchen here. Let's go. Music.
I hope you guys can see. So this is what we are going to use to prepare our TBS. We have our cassava flour here. I'm going to add it to it. But you have to be careful when you are adding it so that it will not be lump.
Music. Let's go.
Guys, their one is like banku, but this one, when it sits for long, it becomes hard. That's why you have to prepare it very soft, quite soft. I hope you can see the texture. Even with this, I'm going to add another water to it to become quite soft. And as I told you that this recipe is from northern region, and the reason being that all the ingredients that we use is primary food products. Guys, as I was saying, the ingredients that I used to prepare this recipe, they are primary food products from northern part of Ghana, which is northern region. These are the things that they grow themselves, so that's why it's their special food that we are also. The other parts of Ghana, like other regions, we have also adopted this kind of food. Not only that, the food is very healthy. What I like about TZ is that the leaves that we use to prepare the soup, the jute leaf. It has so much benefit. That's why I like it. I love this recipe very much. I would say it's my favorite, my second favorite anyway. I love it. There are so many benefits of it. That's why I love this recipe. Our Ayoyo is ready. Our TZ, look at that. So guys, I'm going to repeat the same process until I'm done wrapping all my Ayoyo. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. I love it. You can tie it or you can just roll it like the way I did the first one. Look at that. With this stew, you can eat it with anything that you want. You can eat it with rice, with yam, anything goes. Look at that. Oh, the food looks so yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy-licious, and it smells good as well. Oh dear. Look at that. The aroma here, guys, unless you try this recipe, then you drop in your comments. Look at that. I don't want to fill my plate too much. I'm on diet, guys. Then you add some of your Ayoyo soup to it, and our Ayoyo is complete. Look at that. Oh. The aroma, guys. It tastes really yummy, 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 yummy. Look at that. This is how you can make your authentic finger-licking Zaafi from scratch. And look at that. This food is so appetizing, tantalizing, delicious. The aroma alone tells you all. Guys, you are invited. If you haven't tried this recipe before, I want you to follow the steps that I use to prepare your one, and let me know, guys. Also, let me know the country that you are watching me from. God bless you. I love you. Subscribe.